Another method, which I talked about before, is making up a fucking language.
Right.
The word was God, in the beginning was the word, and all that shit. Bringing things to your mouth is another way of saying so be it. But when you say it in your conscious English, or I don't give a fuck if you even speak in Metuneta and you know what the fuck it means, you already put it in your conscious mind. So you want to make up fucking words like little retarded children do. You ever hear them little retarded children going blah, 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 and all that shit? Even if you got to go to that level, that's what you got to do. What you need to do is think of your intention and say these fucking words. What do you think all the white people is doing when they going nom ram nom de nom de do? That they speaking something deep from some old country? No, that's just some old ass intentions they putting on some frequencies. So that same frequency or a frequency is what you're supposed to be tapping into, and that the fact that it's incomprehensible English means you're going beyond your conscious mind, whereas, again, your conscious mind cannot doubt if the shit worked, because your conscious mind is going to tell you it did not work. So you're supposed to go into om de om nom de om dome in your personal space. Shit, I seen Phil Valentine do it. That nigga in lectures, he just went into some old other words. He did that at Black Dot's wedding. He went into some shit. I was like, shit, that shit is working. Because what I've learned from the spirit world, whether it's the same thing he was doing, what it was you putting the energy on something that's incomprehensible, which means once you're able to comprehend, you just lowered it. You get what I'm saying? To a human level. What you're trying to do is always get the fuck up out the human level of thinking. So we're getting out the human level of thinking, you sound crazy, but you're supposed to sound crazy. What's sane in this world is actually what's fucking crazy in the real world. Your fucking sanity, your sanity is what you call insanity is what you're destroying. So you make up a fucking language, whatever the fucking is, whatever the fucking is, and whatever thought is in your mind, you express it through the word. You express it through the word, and that shit works fast and real quick.